goes, yeah, Riley, can you have my monster? I'm like, why? He goes, my heart's kind of hurting. I'm like, yeah.
That's fun. Look at I need help.
When Will drinks monsters, I look at him and go, Willie. And he goes, well, I'm like, can I have a Swippy? And he goes, sure. And I'm like, you haven't tasted monsters, have you?
I have.
They taste like crap. They're better than,
The time when
oh yeah, these are better, aren't they?
I'm recording. I'm making no video.
That's great.
That's great. But remember the time that I took it the time that you, me, Willie, and Toby were hanging out, and your mom knew something was up because we weren't eating, because we were uptown. We came home with nothing that she saw.
Yeah.
And then she got suspicious, and her and your dad came downstairs and literally examined the whole room of mine. And the first time in a long time, went into the bar, opened the fridge, and they saw a monster.
Yeah, I know.
And then they dumped it out.
I'm like, no. Will's like, I told you so. Like, shut up, Will. This is what me and Will fight about in class all the time. It's like, Will, I'm always right. He looks at me and goes, excuse me. I'm like, sorry. You're always right, Will. He goes, exactly.
Your right foot low.
What?
Look at the sun. It's making your face all white. Your camera gets such a clear picture. Mine doesn't.
Wait, what'd you say?
Yours like picks up on light really strong. Mine doesn't. Mine's always really dark. I think iPods take better pictures than like phones or cameras.
Car. Oh, my ear popped. Oh my god. I was like,
right.
look at his head.
Ew.
What?
Tastes like cheese.
Was that the last sip or no?
No.
I got a text message.
Look like you're doing the tongue, Riley. Riley, has it ever happened to you? When you're like taking a video of yourself, right? You're doing like really embarrassing stuff because you know right away you're gonna delete, and then something really awesome and hilarious happens. And you're like, oh, I should still post it on Facebook, but I don't want to because I do really embarrassing stuff on it. Has that ever happened to you?
No.
Like just done weird stuff, and all of a sudden something awesome happens when you're expecting to delete it, and then you're like, oh, I can't show anyone that because I'm gonna be embarrassed. Here, taste this. It's no longer fizzy. Try that. It's no longer fizzy. That's
Many changes in Mama. Do you ever see Oh,
That's fizzy to me.
you know more than me.
not really fizzy to me.
You're still living on the
Look, I can see the juice. That's awesome.
moving into town. We live in town. Kim lived up on Boyd Street. I lived up on Main Street. She got married now in June. She got married in June. She got married on the 23rd.
You text
him.
Your mom.
My mom?
Up in the
Oh,
Florida
I thought it was one of those little side comments,
Yeah,
but you're actually
nice home
texting my
out
mom.
there.
Oh.
Are you actually texting my mom?
Yeah.
Oh. I had one of those little
So it
insults.
was
You
that.
text
So
your mom.
She's up that into town. I'm on this.
But you're actually texting my mom.
Oh, I wouldn't drive that. No, I'll drive. Oh, yeah. I go winter once for that. I could drive.
Let's
I
go.
said, I'm not driving those winter roads ever again. So now I can walk. I leave my car here and walk up.